run fast! Yay!
Look at the lights! It's beautiful! I can't wait to go inside!
A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for bear, on furry feet. C is for cat, with a soft meow. D is for dog, hear him now. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swimming away. G is for giraffe, neck so high. H is for horse, running by. I is for igloo in the snow. J is for jar with a shiny glow. K is for kangaroo, hop, hop, hop. L is for lion, he will not stop. M is for monkey, swinging free. N is for nest in the tree. O is for orange, round and bright. P is for penguin, black and white. Q is for quilt, soft and deep. R is for rabbit, fast as a peep. S is for sun in the sky. T is for train,